let us talk about another big poison killing your relationship, what you should definitely stop doing from now on and avoid in the future is taking for granted. Guys, it's not your fault because we all were taught that way. I'm not born as a tantric child, so I know what I'm talking about, and I want to show you and prove you why taking for granted is not good and you should never ever do it again. Let's go back in time when you were dating with your partner or the previous partner if you're single right now. How were you feeling? Remember that. Close your eyes and remember that. It was this, right? Hypnotizing your phone for the call or reply or a message, right? You couldn't sleep because you couldn't wait to see him or her again next day. Your head was full of all of this, right? Oh, she's so amazing. And you just want to give her all your best, or him, right? You want to give him all the best you can. You are the goddess, seducing goddess, and he is the god. He's this strong and masculine god, right? All of this is there. When you enter the room, everyone turns because they feel just bursting out all of this around you. So it's impossible that no one will notice. That is everything happening until you get the person, until you have this illusion that the person is yours. From that moment, all of this beautiful energy, these butterflies in the stomach, this excitement is slowly starting packing its stuff and moving out of the house. And you know what is moving in? Shouting, nagging, complaining, expectation. This everything comes with taking for granted. And I want you to stop doing it from now on, because it will not bring you the happy relationship, it will not bring you the long-lasting relationship, it will bring a disaster, breakup or divorce, right? And that we can avoid. And I want you to know this is not your fault, because we were taught this way. From now on, you have the understanding that this is not good, and you start taking responsibility and start living and changing the way how you behave in a different way in order to live the fulfilled and happy relationship. And how to stop taking the person for granted is go back in time. When you were dating together, remember that time? You can arrange it again. You can start dating again. Because in that time, there was no room for taking the person for granted, right? Does it make sense? It was just, you couldn't do that, right? And you will in the feeling of happiness, of joy, of this excitement, and this laugh, and it was just bursting out, and you were so happy, and you thought you would stay together forever, right? So, start living your relationship from now on this way, and never ever allow this taking for granted come back, move in to your house.